Hi, everyone. Welcome
Hi.
back to day 2 of our phonics with our diphthong O-I saying oi and O-Y saying oi. What does this say? Oi. What does this say? Oi. Remember, diphthongs are when we have two vowels making a new sound. So let's go ahead and take a look at these words. Remember, yesterday was single syllables. Now we're moving up. So let's do sound by sound, blending it through the syllable, and then whole word blend. Teachers, ready? Sound, sound,
Oil.
sound, blend,
Oil.
sound, whole word.
Boiler.
Okay, sound, sound,
Oil.
sound, blend that.
Oil.
Sound, sound, blend it, whole word.
Boiling.
Wow. Here we go. Sound, sound,
Oil.
blend it,
Loy.
sound, sound, blend that, whole word,
Loiter.
sound, sound, oi, sound, blend that, noise, sound, whole word, noise. Read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Boiler.
Boiling, loiter, and noisy. And teachers, thumb to your chest as soon as you. Oh, Miss T, what did you notice?
I think I noticed the O-I spelling that makes the oi sound.
You're right. We see O-I, 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 and O-I. And I thought you were going to get tricked there and give me a third letter in there. Anything else that you may have noticed? Ms. Hernandez, what did you notice?
So I see that boiler and loiter both have the at the end spelled ER.
You're right. We have the ER here and the ER here, which is an R control vowel. Remember, we have a vowel in front of the R, which makes it an R control vowel. Let's go ahead and jump over to line 2. Ready? Teachers, sound by sound, syllable blend, and then whole word. Ready? Sound, sound, oi, blend it, sound, whole word, sound, sound, oi, blend it, boy, sound, 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 blend that, caught, whole word, boycott, sound, sound, oi, blend it, loy, sound, blend it, whole word, loyal, sound, sound, oi, blend it, roy, sound, blend that, whole word, royal. Read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Foyer.
Boycott, loyal, and royal. What did you notice, teachers? Ms. Yukimowicz.
I noticed that all the words have the OY, which makes the oi sound.
Very good. So we have O-Y, 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 O-Y. Did anyone notice anything else in that line? Yes, Ms. Hernandez.
These are 2-syllable words.
2-syllable words. Ms. T, did you notice anything new? Or anything from previous lessons?
I noticed that the sound.
Yes, you don't have to feel intimidated. Yes, the ER, our control vowel, you're right. And just for the students out there, you'll notice that the OY is at the end of that syllable. All right, let's go ahead and jump to line 3. Ready, teachers? Remember, sound by sound, syllable blend, whole word. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Sound, 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 blend, con, sound, sound, oi, blend that, oi, whole word, convoy, sound, open vowel E, blend it, D, sound, 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 oi, blend that, whole word,
Destroy.
Destroy. Sound. Eh. Sound. Blend it. F. Sound. P. Sound. Sound. Oi. Blend that. Ploy. Whole word.
Employ.
Jumping on this side. Sound. Eh. Sound. Blend it. And sound. J. Sound. Oi. Blend that. Joy.
Enjoy.
Whole word. Enjoy. No, you're good, Miss Hernandez. Reread for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Convoy.
Destroy.
Destroy.
Employ and enjoy.
Enjoy.
Teachers, when you're ready, what did you notice, Miss Yakimowicz?
I noticed that they all have the OY at the last syllable, which makes the oi sound.
Yes, I am so glad that you were able to catch not only that it's spelled OY, but this time all of the words are landing, or the oi sound is landing on that second syllable and also at the end. Notice that. And whether it's at the beginning, at the first syllable, or the second syllable, or even the third syllable, that oi is always going to land at the end of that syllable. All right. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our sentence. Sorry, something fell. Let's get to it. Remember, here we're word detectives, boys and girls. You can hit that pause button, and what you're looking for are the number of words that have the O-I or O-Y for oi. Okay, teachers, when you're ready, show me your numbers. Oh, wow. All right, Miss T, you had your hand up first. What's the first word that you found?
Corduroy.
Corduroy. Very good. Miss T. No, not Miss T. Miss Yakimowicz.
Noisy.
Noisy. Sorry, Miss Yakimowicz. Miss Hernandez.
Enjoys.
Enjoys. Miss T.
Oink.
Oink. Very good. So let's go ahead and reread that for our students. Remember, we're the models for our kids. What's this word again?
Corduroy.
Noisy.
Noisy.
Enjoy.
Enjoys. And oink. All right, the rest of the words seem easy. I am going to say that we have a high frequency word with the ing in the back. Ready? Here we go, teachers. 3, 2, 1.
Corduroy. Add
A noisy pig that
enjoys
saying
oink.
Miss Yakimowicz, can you reread that for fluidity, please?
Corduroy had a noisy pig that enjoys saying oink.
Very good. And Miss T, can you go ahead and do the scooping, please?
Corduroy had a noisy pig that enjoys saying oink.
Very good. And Ms. Hernandez, is it decoding time?
Nope, it's encoding time.
Encoding time. Go ahead and grab that whiteboard, paper, pencil, marker, tablet, whatever you may need to go ahead and practice this encoding piece. Remember, boys and girls, if you do not need the scaffolds, go ahead and just write as the teachers are also writing. Teachers, when you're ready, thumb to your chest, let me know that we're good. All right, let's go ahead and get started. First word, 2-syllable count. The word is ointment. What is it? Ointment. Oint. Oint. Ment. Oint. Ointment. Show me, teachers. Beautifully done. Keep it up. Here we go. Next word. The word is poison. What is it? Poison. Oi. Poi. San. I know I did that on purpose because it is a schwa. Poison. Show me, teachers. Beautifully done. Let's go ahead and jump to the next word. The word is toilet. What is it? Toilet. Oi. Toy. Et. Let. Oi. Et. Toilet. Show me, teachers. And remember, boys and girls, you got it. You guys, boys and girls, if it's too fast, hit the pause button in between each word. Ready? The next word. The word is pointer. What is it? Pointer. Oi. Point. Ter. Oi. Pointer. Show me, teachers. Pointer. Yes, R control vowel spelled ER there. Let's jump to the second column. Second column, the word is employ. What is it? Employ. Oi. Oi. Employ. Show me, teachers. Beautifully done. Thank you. Next word is rejoice. What's the word? Rejoice. j, oi, s. Watch that. R, e, j, oi, s. Rejoice. Teacher, show me. Yes, it is the CE at the end. Next word. The word is ballpoint. What's the word? Ballpoint. B-a-o. Ball. P-oi-nt. Point. If you're paying attention, I did give you that letter. B-a-o. P-oi-nt. Ballpoint. Show me, teachers. Yes, double L for that O. Let's go ahead and jump to the last word on that set. The word is turmoil. What is it? Turmoil. M-oy-o. Oy-o. Show me, teachers, turmoil. Excellent. Last column, guys. Ready? Here we go. The word is decoy. What is it? Decoy. D-e-d-k-oy. Koi. D-e-k-oy. Show me, teachers. Decoy. Very nice. Keep it up. Next word is broiler. What is it? Broiler. Oy, o, broil, and then oy, o, Show me, teachers, broiler. Excellent. Here we go. Next word is oily. What is it? Oily. Oy-o-e. Oy-o-e. Oily. Show me, teachers. Excellent. Very nice. Next one. Ready? The word is enjoy. What is it? Oh, wait. Did I do that? Nope. Sorry, take it back. Soybean. What is it? Soybean. Soy, soy. B-e. Watch how I spell that E. Soy, B-e. Show me, teacher, soybean. Excellent. We're down to the sentence. Remember, boys and girls, you can hit the pause button and write the scaffolds if you need them. If you don't need them, you can write as I say or dictate them back to you. Teachers, when you're ready, them to your chest. Wow. All right, we're pros here. All right, here's the sentence. Put the word is, wait a minute. Yeah, oily. The word is oily. 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 Ointment. Oint. Oint. Ment. Oint. Ointment on the word is joint. 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 And rejoice. Re-joice. Re-joice. And I gave you oice. Okay, teachers, when you're ready. Excellent. Job well done. Pat yourselves on the back. And remember, boys and girls, this is day 2. So you did 2 syllable count words. Join us tomorrow, continuing with that oi, oi, oi sound. All right, bye. Don't forget to subscribe.